Hello, kids! Welcome to a fun and exciting adventure. Look at this fun jigsaw puzzle with a car picture. Piece by piece, we put it together. Click, click. Wow, the car is ready. Let's jump in and start our car adventure. This is Ruby, a little red car with shiny wheels and bright headlights. Ruby loves to drive around the town. She likes clean roads, green trees, and friendly people waving hello. Every morning, Ruby says, "Beep, beep, let's go." She helps people go to school, to the market, and to fun places like the park. Ruby feels happy when she helps others. As Ruby drives, she meets many friends on the road. There is Tom the truck, big and strong, carrying boxes. There is Lily the bus, yellow and kind, taking children to school safely. There is also Ben the police car, with flashing lights, keeping everyone safe. All cars are different, but every car has an important job. Do you know how cars move? Cars need fuel or electricity to go. They have engines that help the wheels turn. When Ruby wants to stop, she uses her brakes. When she wants to turn, she uses her signals. Cars must follow traffic lights. Red means stop. Yellow means slow down. Green means go. That helps everyone stay safe. One day, dark clouds cover the sky. The wind blows softly and rain begins to fall. The road becomes wet and slippery. Ruby, the little red car, feels a bit nervous. Her wheels slow down and she turns on her headlights to see clearly. "Drive slowly and be careful," Ruby tells herself. Her wipers move back and forth. Swish, swish. Ruby follows the road signs and keeps a safe distance from other cars. Step by step, she keeps going calmly. Soon, the rain becomes lighter. Ruby smiles again because she knows she can handle small problems by staying calm and careful. Soon, the rain stops. The sun comes out again. Ruby reaches home safely. She feels proud and happy. Cars are not just machines, Ruby says. They help people, they work together, and they keep us moving every day. The jigsaw puzzle car shines once more, and our adventure comes to an end. Thank you for joining our car adventure. See you next time for another fun story. Bye-bye.